Good day, campers. Today's project is we're going to remove a Dometic gas electric RV refrigerator from this pull behind toy hauler. To actually remove the refrigerator from the opening, you have this plastic strip across the top. Once this there's two Phillips head screws on one on each side, one here, one on the other side. Remove the plastic strip, then gives you access to a mounting screw on this side and a mounting screw on the other side. Down at the bottom, you have a mounting screw here and a mounting screw here inside the hinge. Next, we'll move around back. Come around back. There's a mounting screw here. There is another one back here. You have to unplug the AC. You have to remove propane. This will have to be capped if you put in a different refrigerator, which is our plan. We plan on going to a 12 volt. You'll see the little temperature control for the added fan that we put in that doesn't seem to have helped that much. The next step will be to remove the 12 volt fuse so that we can disconnect wires from the back of the refrigerator. Next step is to actually pull the refrigerator out. Everything's loose. We pushed a little bit from the back to get it started. Next step is to just take this thing out.
Close those doors. You might not get by otherwise. Slowly.
Do we have any straps to hold on to? We do not.
I don't see anything yet.
Oh, we're hitting the TV.
Yeah, we're as good as we can be there. The question is, so I'm under it good, but it doesn't feel too heavy, right? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're just about to come out. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, and I'm down,
And you're good. I'm down. So that's all there is to it. It was just those mounting screws. It did not weigh that much. We now have a nice opening and ready for our new refrigerator. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.